I never buy in the market. This homemade candle never goes out and lasts forever. To start our tip, we will need a lime. And we're going to slice it into several, very thin slices, and we'll separate for later. Now we'll need coarse salt. And we will insert up to half a container. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Wilma Etona from Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After that, we will transfer the slices of lime over the layer of salt. The use of lime is essential for decoration, and especially for its acidity. That will act against insects. After they saw in my house, my friends and family always asked me to teach this tip. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Then we'll need cloves. It will be the main item to bring the incredible and pleasant smell of our candle, and also act against the insects of the environment. And let's add between the slices of lime. Now let's add water until the ingredients are covered. Then we will complete the container with oil. The oil is the main item to keep our candle burning. After that, we'll need a bottle cap. And with a knife, we'll drill a hole in the middle of it. The last item we will use is a wick. Let's get him through the hole we made in the bottle cap. This hole will be the basis to light our candle. Will work as a support for the fire and keep away from the liquid container. Then we'll have our base ready. Then we will insert the support over the mixture. After that, we will light the candle. Best of all, this tip is adaptable. You can change or add items, which will change its aroma and still keep the main function. The items inside the container not only bring an incredible aroma to the environment, but also work perfectly for decoration. Tell me if you have any different tips. I would love to know your tip ideas. Make this candle in your home. I'm sure you will be impressed and thank me after learning this tip. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.